I'm going to show you how you can add your logo to your Shopify store. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. Once you have done that, all you need to do is go to online store right here, then click this button to edit your theme. And now the first thing I want to show you is that by default in most of the themes you will have your logo right here, which in this case is just the name of the store. You can also find it right here at this sidebar menu, where you can click on logo and hide it on this home page. So if you enable this option, it will disappear from here. And then if you want to add your custom logo, all you need to do is go to the theme settings right here. Then you will find logo and favicon, so click here. And there are different type of logos you can upload. So here is the default logo. Then this is the inverse logo, which is optional. This will be used when transparent header background is set to inverse. If you want to upload this type of logo, it should have the inverse colors. And then the favicon, which is this small icon that appears right here. So if you don't have any, this default icon should appear. So let's just select our logo. In my case, it will be this one. This is just a test. Then you can customize the size on desktop or mobile, so you can make it bigger if you want to. Then the inverse logo, in my case I'm not going to set one. And then the favicon, which same process, you can upload the one you want here, or you can even generate one with AI. So for example, this is the one I'm going to select. This is the one that the AI generated, but you should find one which is small and without text because the icon will be very small. So we can select this. Now you can click on save right here. And now if I go to the shop and reload the page, we should find the icon right here and the favicon at the tab right here. So those are pretty ugly, of course. This is just a test, but you basically need to upload your logo and create a favicon if you don't have one already. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.